Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 7 insanely useful AI tools that every student should be using right now. These tools will help you study smarter, save time, and get better results. So let's jump straight in. So first, what exactly is AI, and why should students even care? AI simply means smart tools that help you with your work, like a digital assistant. It's not meant for cheating. It's here to guide you, explain things, and make learning easier. And trust me, once you start using AI the right way, your study life gets way less stressful. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. This is like your 24/7 study buddy. You can ask questions, understand tough topics, get ideas, practice interviews, even draft essays and emails. Just type your question, and boom, clear explanations. But remember, always think for yourself. Next up, Grammarly. If you want your English writing to look professional, this is your best friend. It fixes grammar, spelling, tone, and makes your writing super clear. Perfect for assignments, resumes, reports, everything. Tool number 3, Notion AI. This is like your digital brain. You can organize notes, create to-do lists, plan studies, track projects, all in one place. If you ever feel overwhelmed, Notion AI keeps you sorted and stress-free. Number 4, Perplexity AI. Think of it like a search engine, but smarter. It gives you clear answers with sources, perfect for projects and presentations. So instead of scrolling forever, you get trusted info instantly. Next, QuillBot. This tool rewrites your sentences, improves clarity, and reduces repetition. Great for polishing your writing. But super important, always understand the content and use your own words. We're here to learn, not copy. Tool 6, Microsoft Copilot. If you use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, this is a game changer. It helps you create slides, write content, and even generate formulas. Basically, your office work becomes way faster and easier. And finally, Khan Academy AI. This one is built specially for learning. It explains maths and school topics step by step, so you actually understand the concepts. Perfect for homework support. Ready to level up your studies? Start using AI tools today and make your learning smarter, faster, and way more fun. From ChatGPT and Grammarly to Notion, Perplexity, QuillBot, Copilot, and Khan Academy AI, these tools help you stay organized, learn faster, and do your best work. Just remember, always understand the content and rewrite in your own words. Okay, quick but important reminder. Use AI responsibly. Understand what you're learning. Rewrite in your own words. And always follow your school rules. I should support your brain, not replace it. So how do students really use AI? Simple, writing reports, creating presentations, understanding tough topics. AI just makes studying smoother and more fun. So here's the big takeaway. AI tools are super powerful, but the real power is still you. Think critically, learn honestly, and let AI help you become the best version of yourself. And that's it for today. If you've got questions about AI tools, drop them below or ask live. Thanks for watching, and happy learning. Quote, if you want to level up your skills and learn smarter with AI, head over to acloudguru.in or email us at training@acloudguru.in for awesome training sessions. Don't just study hard, study smart with AI. See you in the next one. Quote.